Who? What are you doing here?
Lightning. The end is near, Lightning. We stand on the precipice of oblivion. Lightning, you are the key to our salvation. You must become the goddess of death.
I will be the goddess of death, alright. But I'll be the one who brings an end to this madness. What am I supposed to do? Where do I go from here? This isn't right. I don't know if I must listen to her to become a goddess of death, or this is the true face of God.
Lightning Foryoumf, you have been chosen as my goddess of death. It is time to face your final trial. Time to end you. Lead you away to the goddess.
Take this.
King of Komunitas, you back.
I cannot give up. Now, feel my strength. This is your punishment.
This war is mine. So give up.
I cannot. This ends now. Let's see if you like this. The future belongs to us. Whatever happens, you will die.
You think you can slay God? You can never win against me.
The goddess of death can.